Put a little zhuzh on your content. Camera movement is the way that we direct the viewer's eye to where we want it to be in the frame. Hey guys, Cam with Pro Photo Rental here. These are my 3 favorite camera moves that you can do with almost any setup. I love a simple push. It's something that you can do with or without a gimbal, and it's a move that can add subtle emphasis to whatever you're shooting. Even for wide shots, it's great for showing a space and kind of bringing the viewer into that moment. My second favorite one, I'm just gonna call it a boom. It's sort of a mix of a bunch of different moves. You're tilting the camera, but you're also moving downwards, so there's kind of a vertical parallax effect happening. It's a great way to make something that's simple feel epic. When you're doing a boom shot like this, you will want to use a gimbal rather than doing it just handheld. The gimbal is gonna help eliminate shake. It's not entirely necessary to use a gimbal, but it'll certainly be easier if you do. My third and absolute favorite camera move is an orbit. It just highlights a simple detail or a person in a way that makes them stand out from the background. You're getting to see the subject's relation to the space that they're in. It's a phenomenal way of taking a 2-dimensional medium, but making it feel like a 3-dimensional experience. Those are some of my favorite camera tricks. I understand they're not for everybody. Whatever moment you're trying to capture, experiment and learn what works for you. If you want more tips and tricks, just follow Pro Photo Rental, and we will see you next time.